Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to maths class. And guess what? Before I begin, I want to tell you something. Guess what I got this morning? My friend Pam came to look for me and she gave me one tomato. How many tomato I got? One tomato. And tomato begins with the T sound. After my friend Pam came and gave me one tomato, guess what happened? My other friend Bob gave me another tomato. So I got one more tomato. So first, Pam gave me one tomato and my friend Bob gave me another tomato. So how many tomatoes do I have in all? Let's count them. 1, 2. So that means 1 and 1 make 2. So for today's lesson, we are going to do addition. What I did a while ago, I was adding one tomato and one more tomato make 2 tomatoes. 1 and 1 make 2. Girls, we can also add on paper. So if I have 1 and, A-N-D is and, 1 and 1 make. Let me read for you again. 1 and 1 make. So if we want to know how many 1 and 1 make, we can use counters. So I am going to use counters to add. So the numeral that I see, I am going to use counters to replace that numeral. So if I see numeral 2, how many counters should I put? 2 counters to replace numeral 2. If I see numeral 1, how many counters should I put for numeral 1? 1 counter. If I see numeral 3, how many counters should I put under numeral 3? 1, 2, 3 counters. So let's go back to our paper. Now I am seeing 1 and 1. So that means I have to put 1 counter under numeral 1 and another counter under this numeral 1. So 1 and 1 make. So let's count the counters together to see how many 1 and 1 make. 1, 2. So 1 and 1 make 2. And this is numeral 2. Around, down, and then across is numeral 2. So remember, boys and girls, 1 and 1 more make 2. We can also use our fingers to add. 1 finger and another finger make 2 fingers. Let's go again. 1 finger and 1 more finger. How many fingers do I have in all? 1, 2 fingers. So 1 and 1 make 2.